Hello everyone, I'm back again with my new video. My name is Nakash Ahmed and you're watching my channel Notch 365 Academy. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel first and watch my previous videos on Microsoft Teams. I have almost have had 20 plus videos now on Microsoft Teams for user end and also the administration point of view. So please go ahead and watch my playlist for MS Teams. In today's video, I'm going to show you yet another application by Microsoft called Whiteboard. Whiteboard is actually an application where teachers or students or project managers or even some art teachers or designers can share their ideas, can share their explanations, their topics, their interests freely. It's just like a whiteboard that we have yet used in our school college days, where our teacher used to explain the topics and subjects using a pen, a highlighter, a marker, or even a chalk. So whiteboard is simply a white surface where you can use your ideas, your sticky notes, paste your ideas, paste your sticky notes, and anything you want. And if you're using a touch laptop, you can even draw it using your hand. Okay, so this is how whiteboard is. So without any further delay, let's see how we can use it in Teams and how it can be effective for remote learning and for teachers. So I am in my Teams desktop application right now, signed in as a global administrator or teacher, you would say, in my class 1A Teams and my channel ideas, which I just created. So if you have any scheduled meeting, you can use that meeting, or you can simply click meet now for instant meeting. So I'm choosing this option, meet now, and let's add a subject here, ideas. Let's click meet now. And you can add any participant if you want to, but in our case right now we don't need any participant, so just leave it there as it is. And let me click on the share screen. So you can see we have some few options. We can share our full desktop, we can share any open windows we have in our taskbar, or we can share any PowerPoint files if you have open, or in the extreme right you can see an option called whiteboard. Okay, so this is actually a Microsoft One application called Microsoft Whiteboard. You can use this application. Let me click and add this. So it's gonna take some while, and while it loads, let's see. So here you go. I have my Microsoft Whiteboard open in my Teams application. Okay, and it's still loading. I don't know why it's taking some time. It's actually depend on your internet connection. If your internet connection is weakened, so it's gonna take some time while it loads. Let me reshare it once again. I don't know why the annotation bar is not coming up yet. Yes, here you go. So I'm really sorry, there was some connection, my connection was got loosened, so that's why it was taking some time. So now we have our Microsoft Whiteboard opened up, and you can see the annotation bar we have. We have pen and black pen, red pen, green pen, blue pen, eraser, add text, and add note, which is actually a sticky notes that you can paste. So you can see its whole white screen here, because that is why it is called a whiteboard, which you all know about. So all you can do is we can just select our pen, we can move around and draw like this. We can choose any pen that we want, and we can draw like this. And if you want to erase it, we can simply erase it like this. So if you have a touchscreen laptop, it will be very easy to draw and write anything on the whiteboard. And one cool thing which I actually like is we can add a text here. Let me add some text here. if I zoom out, you can see it is not only just zooming out, it is also making my whiteboard having a big screen size. So I have more space in my whiteboard now. Okay, so I can now paste, drop my sticky notes and move it around. You can see. So this is just like you have seen in a notice board or a whiteboard where all the project members or all the design thinking team members can share their ideas. So this is how it goes. And for teachers, it is very really a good thing where a teacher can just start the whiteboard and ask the student to share their ideas in the sticky notes. So if the students are added in a meeting, they all can have their own sticky notes. They can share it or they can write on it. Okay, so this is how it goes, and after once you have done everything, you can just simply click here and click on export image, and it will go to the whiteboard online, which is actually in Office 365. And from here we can also edit it if you want to. If there is anything left, we can add it still here, and click on share button, click copy share link, copy link, and we can just simply share this link with our fellow teacher or fellow students or members of the group project or anything, anyway, for to anyone. So that is as simple as that. I can explain Microsoft Whiteboard. It is not just any technical thing. There is nothing to understand any technical stuff here. So I really suggest the teachers who are using Microsoft Teams as a remote learning tool to use Microsoft Whiteboard to explain their topics, to explain their ideas, especially the science subject, the mathematics subjects, which they can explain in the whiteboard. It is really helpful. So if you are using Microsoft Whiteboard already, just drop your experience or your comments, how you have been using it. If you have any ideas, any suggestion, you can just simply drop a comment. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.